In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Brevo email marketing. Start by logging into your Brevo account and looking at the main navigation. Head to the marketing section, then choose Campaigns. This is where you will create and manage your email sends. Click Create Campaign, and when Brevo asks what type of campaign you want to build, select Email. Choosing the correct campaign type is important because it unlocks the email editor, recipient tools, and scheduling options you need. Next, you will be prompted to name your campaign. Use a name that helps you recognize it later, especially if you run several campaigns, like a product update, a newsletter, or a seasonal promotion. The campaign name is mainly for internal organization, so make it clear and specific. Once you have entered the name, click Create Campaign to move forward. Now it is time to choose who will receive your email. Click Add Recipients. You will see your available list or lists. Select the list or multiple lists that match the audience you want to reach, then click Save. As a quick tip, only include lists that are relevant to the message you are sending, because targeted emails generally perform better and reduce unsubscribes. After that, set the email details your audience will see first. Click Add Subject, then enter your subject line and your preview text. The subject line should communicate the main benefit or topic clearly, and the preview text should support it with a short, helpful extra detail. Once both fields look good, click Save. With your audience and message details set, you can design the email. Click Start Designing. Choose a template that fits your style, and then use the drag-and-drop editor to add your content. Add text, images, buttons, and any sections you need. Keep your layout clean, use readable font sizes, and make sure your main call to action is easy to find. As you build, glance over spacing and alignment so the email feels polished. When your design is complete, click Save and Quit. This safely stores your work and returns you to the campaign summary. Finally, when you are ready to plan delivery, click Schedule in the top right. From here, you can choose when the email should send. That covers everything you need to know.